Organization admins can group users based on the needs of their organization. To create a new user group, navigate to the Users Group section under User Management. Click on plus Create User Group to create a new user group. Enter the group name and select the users. Click Assign to add the users to the user group. The user group will be created and the selected users will now be part of the user group. If the user was part of any other group, they will automatically be removed from that group and added to this group. Clicking on the user group will display the group details. Admins can add more users to the group by clicking Add Member. You can do this by either scrolling down or typing the user's name, selecting the user, and assigning them to the current group. To learn more about Lenovo Device Manager, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to ldmsupport.lenovocloudsoftware.com.